Have you ever wondered where Israel, a small yet powerful nation, got its formidable military strength from? Our story begins in the late 1940s and 1950s, a time of great global tension and technological leaps. Israel, a newborn state, was already seeking ways to fortify its defenses. At the heart of this quest was a man named Shimon Peres. A dynamic and visionary leader, Peres recognized the potential of nuclear power as an instrument of national security. His foresight led to the establishment of a nuclear reactor in the remote town of Dimona, a move that would have a lasting impact on the country's defense strategy. Peres's vision was not just about power generation. No, it was about creating a deterrent, a shield that could protect Israel from its adversaries. He understood that nuclear power, while controversial, could provide Israel with a level of security that conventional weaponry could not match. This was the purpose of the nuclear power program, to create a bulwark of defense in a region fraught with conflict. The program's true impact, however, was more far-reaching than even Peres could have predicted. The birth of Israel's nuclear power program marked a turning point in the nation's defense strategy. It set the stage for a new era of military innovation, one that would see Israel develop cutting-edge technologies and defense systems. The Dimona reactor, though shrouded in secrecy from the world, became a symbol of Israel's determination to protect its sovereignty. It fueled a drive for self-reliance, a drive that would lead to the development of advanced missile systems, aircraft carriers, and military laser systems. Yet, the journey was not without its challenges. The program faced international scrutiny, internal debates, and technical hurdles. But it was a journey that Israel was willing to embark on, driven by the belief that a strong defense was the best guarantee of peace. And so, the foundation was laid for Israel's military might, a strength that would soon be further bolstered with the invention of advanced missile systems. And this, my friends, is just the beginning of Israel's fascinating journey into the world of military technology. As Israel's nuclear power program took shape, another potent weapon was being forged: the missile. In the turbulent times of the 1960s and 1970s, Israel was quietly making strides in missile technology, a move that would significantly bolster its military capabilities. The development of this technology was largely spearheaded by the Israel Aerospace Industries, a company that has since become a leading figure in global aerospace and defense. The 1960s saw the birth of the Gabriel missile, an anti-ship missile designed for naval warfare. With its ability to skim over the water's surface undetected by enemy radars, the Gabriel missile was a game-changer. However, it was the development of the Jericho missile in the 1970s that truly marked Israel's ascent on the world stage. The Jericho, a medium-range ballistic missile, offered a significant upgrade in terms of both range and payload. This missile could travel hundreds of miles, carrying a payload large enough to cause substantial damage upon impact. The impact of these missile systems on Israel's military capabilities cannot be overstated. With the Gabriel and Jericho missiles, Israel had not just a defensive shield, but also a potent offensive weapon. These missiles could reach enemy targets far beyond Israel's borders, acting as a deterrent to potential adversaries. It's also important to note that these developments didn't occur in a vacuum. They were part of a broader strategy to strengthen Israel's military capabilities, a strategy that included the development of nuclear power. These advancements in missile technology, coupled with the nuclear program, transformed Israel into a formidable force. Yet, perhaps the most remarkable aspect of this story is that Israel's military innovation didn't stop there. Even as the Gabriel and Jericho missiles were being deployed, the nation was already looking to the future, exploring new technologies and strategies to ensure its security. With nuclear power and advanced missile systems, Israel had become a formidable force. Yet the nation's military innovation was far from over. While Israel's land and air capabilities were growing, something was happening at sea. Israel was about to make waves with the introduction of the aircraft carrier. In the mid-80s, as Israel's defense technology was advancing exponentially, a new frontier was being explored. The high seas were beckoning, and Israel answered the call with the development of the aircraft carrier. This was not just another ship, it was a floating airbase, a symbol of power, and a game-changer in naval warfare. The journey began with the INS Vulture, Israel's first aircraft carrier. Named after the bird of prey, the INS Vulture was not just a ship, but a statement. It was a testament to Israel's determination to protect its sovereignty, a floating fortress that served as a clear warning to potential adversaries. The INS Vulture was designed to carry a fleet of aircraft, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. It was equipped with sophisticated radar systems, advanced weaponry, and state-of-the-art command and control facilities. But what made it truly special was its ability to operate far from Israel's shores, extending the country's military reach beyond its borders. The impact of the INS Vulture on Israel's naval capabilities was profound. It not only enhanced Israel's ability to project power, but also provided a significant strategic advantage. With the aircraft carrier, Israel could launch air operations from any location, at any time, transforming the nation's naval warfare capabilities. The introduction of the aircraft carrier also had a psychological impact. It became a symbol of Israel's military might, a tangible representation of the nation's determination to defend itself. The presence of the INS Vulture in the high seas sent a clear message to the world. Israel was ready to defend its sovereignty, no matter the cost. The aircraft carrier added a new dimension to Israel's military strength, but the nation's defense innovation did not stop there. As we entered the 21st century, Israel was ready to unveil its latest military innovation, the military laser system. The dawn of the new millennium brought with it a wave of technological advancements, and Israel was riding on the crest of this wave. The nation, known for its cutting-edge defense technology, embarked on the development of a military laser system in the early 2000s, a project that would eventually redefine Israel's military prowess and its approach to national security. Throughout the 2000s and 2010s, Israel dedicated considerable resources to this venture. The nation's brightest minds were put to work, and the result was a laser system that was both formidable and revolutionary. The system was designed to intercept and neutralize threats in mid-air, a feat that traditional defense systems struggled with. With this, Israel had once again pushed the boundaries of what was possible in military technology. One of the most significant outcomes of this project was the Iron Beam system. An integral part of Israel's missile defense strategy, the Iron Beam system was designed to intercept close-range drones, rockets, and mortars that could not be effectively intercepted by other defense systems. This system has played a pivotal role in safeguarding Israel's skies, and its success has validated the nation's investment in laser technology. The Iron Beam system works by emitting a high-energy laser beam that can accurately track and neutralize a target. The system's precision and speed are unmatched, allowing it to intercept threats in a matter of seconds. This has added a new dimension to Israel's defense capabilities and has fortified the nation's security. The development of the military laser system and the Iron Beam system is a testament to Israel's commitment to defense and innovation. The nation has continually sought to leverage technology to bolster its defense capabilities, and the military laser system is a prime example of this. From nuclear power to laser systems, Israel's military technology has evolved over the decades, always staying one step ahead and ensuring the nation's defense. So, what have we learned about Israel's military technology? We've journeyed through the birth of nuclear power in Israel. It's a story of innovation and determination, demonstrating how a small nation could harness the atom's energy to defend its sovereignty. We've seen the rise of missile technology, a testament to Israel's engineering prowess. From the early days of rudimentary rockets to the sophisticated systems of today, Israel has always been at the forefront of missile development. We've admired the power of the aircraft carrier, a floating fortress that embodies Israel's commitment to protecting its interests at sea. And finally, we've witnessed the dawn of the military laser system. Israel's advancements in this area are cutting edge, promising a future where threats can be neutralized with precision and speed. Israel's military technology, born out of necessity and honed by innovation, continues to evolve, ensuring the nation's defense in an ever-changing world.